Welcome to Kids Zone. Are you ready? Ready! Get a paper, pencil, or crayon and write with me. 3, 2, 1, let's start! Farm animals. C-O-W, cow. H-O-R-S-E, horse. C-H-I-C-K, chick. H-E-N, hen. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. G-O-A-T, goat. P-I-G, pig. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat. D-U-C-K, duck. B-I-R-D, bird. F-I-S-H, fish. Let's review. Cow, horse, chick, hen, rooster, goat, pig, sheep, rabbit, dog, cat, duck, bird, fish.
Guess the animal sounds. What animal makes this sound?
It's a dog.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a rooster.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a cow.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a hen.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a duck.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a bird.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a cat.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a chick.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a horse.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a sheep.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a pig. Well done. Practice makes progress. Never stop learning. Click like, subscribe, and notification bell for updates. Thank you. See you next time.